see what we got here. Part of my house. It's a construction zone right now. It's getting remodeled, but I just got something in the mail. Let me see this. Let's see. What's it say there? Gibson, Nashville, Tennessee, made in China. Damn. But I can't afford no real Gibson. I mean, I could, a cheap one, but what's the use, right? Let's see what I got here. Epiphone. I actually got a couple things here today. I can't afford a Gibson, but I can't afford this. What we got here? Epiphone Les Paul Tribute. So it has Gibson pickups and oh my god, dude, this is the nicest guitar I've ever owned. It's the only Les Paul I've ever owned actually. I got a Les Paul Special Epiphone over there. I got a Firefly tee that I got off of Amazon and a Godin Kingpin, 5th Avenue, and a Takamine G Series. But this, '60 Tribute. Oh my god, dude. It's not going to show up in this, but the top is... Hell yes, dude. Okay, there's that. Got that little orange amp back there, 20-watt one. But I also got this bad boy here. I shouldn't even open it up because I kind of want to send it back. I want to get the TV true valve or whatever they call it. This one doesn't have it, but BlackStar Stereo 100 ID core. Do I want to keep it or not? Or should I send it back and upgrade $200 and get the 260 with the valve switch? All right, that's that.